Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will start magnetic effect of current. I think all of you have some basic idea about magnet. But as we are going to discuss about magnetic effect of current, so let us revise a little bit about magnet. A substance which attracts small pieces of iron and points in is known as a magnet. And natural magnets are iron oxide and the formula is Fe3O4. When a bar magnet is suspended freely from its center by a thread, one end of the magnet points towards the north of the earth is called north-seeking pole or north pole of a magnet. And the other end of the magnet points towards the south of the earth is called south-seeking pole or simply south pole. And we know like magnetic poles repel each other while unlike magnetic poles attract each other. Next we will discuss about magnetic field. Like electric field, we can describe magnetic field also. A space or region around a magnet within which its influence can be felt by another magnet is called magnetic field, and it is denoted by capital B. And magnetic field is a vector quantity as it has a particular direction also. Next we will discuss about magnetic field lines. Magnetic field line is a curve around a magnet such that the tangent at any point on the curve gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. And the direction of the magnetic field at any particular place is the direction in which the north pole of a magnetic compass needle points if placed at that point. And the strength of the magnetic field is shown by how much close these lines are to each other. Now magnetic field we can classify into two categories: strong magnetic field and weak magnetic field. Now what is strong magnetic field? If magnetic field lines are very close to each other in a particular region of the magnetic field, then the strength of the magnetic field in that region is very large or the magnetic field is strong. Now magnetic field near north or south pole of a bar magnet is very strong. And what is weak magnetic field? If the magnetic field lines are far from each other in a particular region, then the magnetic field are weak there. Next we will discuss about some properties of magnetic field lines. First property, magnetic field lines are closed continuous curves. Next, the tangent at any point on the magnetic field lines gives the direction of the magnetic field at that point. Next, no two magnetic field lines can intersect each other. Number 4, magnetic field lines are crowded in a region of strong magnetic field. On the other hand, magnetic field lines are far from each other in a region of weak magnetic field. Now let us discuss what is magnetic effect of electric current. In 1819, Oersted found that a wire carrying current causes a deflection in the needle of a magnetic compass placed near the wire. So, the current carrying wire behaves as a magnet. Therefore, the production of magnetic field around a conductor carrying DC current is called magnetic effect of electric current. And Oersted performed an experiment to show that magnetic field is set up around a current carrying conductor. Now let us discuss the experiment. First, an electric current was allowed to pass through a metallic wire AB, which is placed parallel to the axis of a magnetic compass kept directly below the conductor. Now the needle of the magnetic compass was found to deflect from its normal position. Next, electric current was again allowed to pass through the same wire AB, but now in opposite direction. And it was found that the needle of the magnetic compass again deflected from its normal position, but in opposite direction. These observations led Oersted to conclude that there must be a magnetic field around the wire carrying electric current which deflected the magnetic compass. So this much is for today's class. Thank you.